everybody, how are you? I actually I purchased a couple of things on Amazon. Excuse me. And I've had my eye on this for the longest time. Martha Stewart has the same exact thing that has been discontinued. And I know that Tuesday Morning had these cartridges a while back. But if you didn't have the actual starter kit, you couldn't use her punches. But I have been told that the Martha Stewart punches work in the EK Tools starter kit. So I started with the starter kit, and I'm going to purchase a Martha Stewart punch. Probably this week. But I did open it, but I did not put it together yet. I just looked at it. So this is actually all it is. How cute, right? And it cuts a doily. So it's just a huge punch. So you open this up. Now, like I said, I've watched a couple of videos. Woo! And I watched a couple of videos, and let's see if I can do this correctly. I think it goes this way. I think there's only one correct way for that to go in. And then you take this off, which is a magnet. And I think I've seen girls use 6x6 and 8x8 because your paper has to cover this here. So I'm going to try 6x6. I figure, what the heck. And then your paper really has to be center. And then you give it clicks to see if your paper actually covers right here. Let me just try this again. I'm thinking that would work. I don't know how to do this. Nope. I'm going to try an 8x8. Don't go nowhere. Let's try an 8x8. I'm not too good at that, so I figure we'll start with an 8x8. Alright, so with an 8x8, we can't go wrong. We really can't. And I've seen girls say that. So what you're supposed to do is line your paper up where you think is center. Shh. Okay, let's get back to this. So this is the punch. I put the magnet on, and I clicked it to make sure that it covers. I'm going to hold this up. It covers all the metal at the bottom. So let's give it a shot. Woo, that is magnetic. That is magnetic. So I think I have to stand up. Okay, so they do that, and then you take it off. Oh, how pretty. I don't know if I should punch it again. I don't think I did it very well. I heard it click. Open it. Turn it. I think you turn it once. Okay, turn it once. Oh my God, I should be doing this like on the kitchen counter. Sorry guys, if I get in the shot. Oh, how pretty. Okay, why is it not turning? Click. All right, we're learning together. Okay. Getting the hang of it. Getting the hang of it. One click. Ooh, I'm definitely getting the hang of it. Ooh, I like it, like it, like it. It kind of gets attached, so you can't turn it. So just unattach it. Yeah, this requires some muscle. I have no idea what they're barking at now. I have none. None. No idea. I know I've seen these. They have so many different punches of these. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, everybody. Oh, I guess I didn't line that up correctly. Maybe I did. Is that supposed to look like? Yes, that's supposed to look like that. Ooh, one more? How does that work? I didn't do it right. I did not do it right. See that hole? I have a half a doily, which I can use. I have to figure out what I did wrong. Huh. Ooh. Let's try this again. Let's try it again. I'm going to be brave and try the 6-inch. Ta-da! Look at how cute! Right? I'm liking the fact that I can make any doily in whatever size and shape I want. Not size and shape. Shape, yeah, depending on what cartridge you have. I think you can only do 6-inch doilies. I'm going to do some homework on that. But look at how cute this would be. I'm like really loving this. I have to get better at punching. I really think I have to. My desk isn't strong enough for me to press on. So I would definitely probably go into the kitchen to do it. And I'm wondering why some didn't punch. I guess like any other punch, you gotta really punch hard. But how sweet. How stinking. This was $19.99 on Amazon. And I think I've seen cartridges anywhere from 6 on up. And like I said, the Martha Stewart punches actually fit in here. So that's my little quick demo. All right, everybody, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.